Imagine buying a supercar that promises the emotion of a race car, the luxury of a premium grand tourer, and the daily usability of something you could actually drive every day. That sounds impossible, but that has always been the mission of the Audi R8. However, with the supercar world changing rapidly, the real question is whether the 2027 Audi R8 can still compete against newer, faster, and more advanced rivals. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep look at the 2027 Audi R8, a machine that represents the final evolution of Audi's legendary performance philosophy. We'll explore its design, performance, technology, ownership costs, practicality, and whether this supercar actually deserves your money in today's market. The first thing you notice about the 27 Audi R8 is the design. Audi has kept the aggressive proportions that made the R8 famous but pushed the styling into a more futuristic direction. The low front end, sharp LED lighting, wider stance, and aerodynamic bodywork give it a serious presence. It looks fast even when standing still. The design is not as dramatic as some Italian supercars, but that understated approach is exactly what many buyers love. It feels premium, sophisticated, and timeless rather than flashy. Inside, the R8 continues Audi's tradition of excellent craftsmanship. The cabin combines high-quality materials, digital displays, supportive sports seats, and a driver-focused layout. Everything feels solid and carefully engineered. The technology includes an advanced infotainment system, digital instrument cluster, premium audio, smartphone connectivity, and modern driver assistance features. However, compared with newer luxury sports cars, some areas may feel less revolutionary because competitors are adding larger screens, more artificial intelligence features, and more advanced autonomous technology. Passenger space is not the R8's strongest point. The cabin is designed mainly for two people, and while the seats are comfortable for long drives, this is not a practical family vehicle. Cargo space is limited, with storage designed for weekend bags rather than serious luggage. But for a supercar, the R8 has always been one of the more usable choices. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2027 Audi R8 delivers the thrilling experience expected from a flagship sports car. Its powerful engine, precise steering, advanced all-wheel drive system, and excellent chassis balance create a driving experience that feels confident and exciting. Acceleration is extremely quick, and the R8 remains easy to control even at high speeds. Unlike some supercars that feel intimidating, the Audi feels approachable, making it enjoyable for both experienced drivers and those entering the supercar world for the first time. Fuel economy is naturally not a strong area. Real-world driving will require frequent visits to the fuel station, especially when enjoying the performance. Owners should expect premium fuel costs and higher consumption compared with normal luxury cars. Towing capability is not relevant here because the R8 is built purely for performance, not utility. Let's be real. Owning a supercar comes with expensive responsibilities. Insurance costs can be significantly higher than regular vehicles, depending on your location and driving history. Maintenance is also expensive because performance components require specialized service. Tires can easily cost several $1,000s per replacement set, especially with high-performance options. Regular servicing, brakes, and unexpected repairs should be considered before purchasing. Depreciation is another factor. Although special versions of the R8 may hold value better because of its reputation and limited availability. But here's the real question. Is the 2027 Audi R8 worth buying compared with its competitors? The R8 competes with cars like the Porsche 911 Turbo, Chevrolet Corvette Z06, McLaren Artura, and Lamborghini Huracan. The Porsche offers sharper handling and stronger resale value. The Corvette provides incredible performance for less money. McLaren delivers more exotic driving characteristics, while Lamborghini offers more drama and emotional appeal. The Audi's advantage is its combination of comfort, reliability, technology, and everyday usability. The pros are clear. The R8 offers stunning design, a comfortable interior, confidence-inspiring handling, excellent build quality, and a driving experience that works on both roads and tracks. The cons are equally important. It is expensive, fuel economy is poor, maintenance costs are high, rear visibility and storage are limited, and some competitors feel more exciting behind the wheel. So should you buy it? The 2027 Audi R8 makes sense for someone who wants a supercar that can actually be enjoyed regularly. If you want extreme attention, maximum track performance, or the lowest possible ownership costs, there are better options. But if you want a balanced supercar with luxury, technology, and everyday confidence, the R8 remains one of the smartest choices in its class. The final verdict is simple. The 2027 Audi R8 is not the wildest or cheapest supercar, but it delivers something rare, a perfect balance between performance and usability. It is a smart purchase for buyers who value engineering, comfort, and long-term enjoyment more than pure numbers. Subscribe for more automotive analysis, because we don't just review cars, we break down whether they actually make sense to buy.